Nigeria did not start with 36 states. Nigeria started in 1914 with 2 regions, North and South. So how did we get here? And more importantly, are we about to add one more state? Subscribe now, because this is not just history. This is Nigerian pattern. At independence, Nigeria had North, West, East. Then came pressure, demand for inclusion, demand for identity, new structure. And in 1963, Midwest was created. That was the first sign that structure could change. In 1967, just before full-scale civil war, Nigeria changed completely. 12 states replaced the strong regions, not just for administration, but for control, stability, balance, but control. Then, in 1976, 7 states were added to make 19 states. Nigeria was no longer a few large blocks, it was becoming a system. 1987, 3 states were added to make 21 states. Then 1991, 9 states were created to make 30 states. It didn't stop there. 1996, 6 states were created to make 36 states. And then everything stopped, frozen. Since 1999 to date, no new state. Not because people stopped asking, but because the system became harder. Under the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria, the process for state creation requires broad agreement, national consensus, multiple approvals, and that is difficult, very difficult. Before now, states were not created randomly. They were created when pressure increased, when imbalance became clear, and alignment was achieved. That pattern has not changed. Today, the Southeast has 5 states. Every other zone, 6 or more states. This is imbalance, pressure for state creation. And now the conversation is back. Could Nigeria create a 37 states? Everybody say yes, why not? But only if structure is clear, regions aligned, the nation agrees. In this conversation, one name appears among others: ANIM state. It's not confirmed though, not final, but it is leading the conversation. Then there is the other one, ANIOMA. 2 names similar in sound, but different in meaning. One emerging in the Southeast conversation, the other rooted across the Niger in the South-South conversation. And now people are asking, are they connected or are they moving in different directions? Now this question is not about conflict. No, this is not about choice either. This is about understanding. They want to understand. ANIM is based on constitutional structure. ANIOMA is based on people's identity. In Nigeria, identity and structure sometimes meet. A country that has changed before, a system that still allows change. Change sometimes built on structure, on other times on identity. So, will Nigeria create a 37 state? And if it does, what will it look like? Will it be based on structure? Or will it be based on identity? Will it be the seventh state of the South-South? Or will it be the sixth state of the Southeast? Will it be ANIM state? Or will it be ANIOMA state? Drop your thoughts. Let's talk about it. For history does not repeat itself. History evolves. Subscribe and join this conversation. Let us achieve this understanding.